In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook post using Canva and connect it with your Google account. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login option in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on Log In. If you've set up your Canva account with Google, you can easily click on Continue with your Google account for a seamless login process. Now, assuming you have multiple Google accounts, choose the one you wish to use for Canva. After selecting your account, Canva might prompt you to confirm your choice. Simply click Continue to move ahead. If you follow these steps, you'll find yourself on your Canva dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, click on More to view other design options. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on creating a Facebook post. So in the search bar, type Facebook post. You'll be presented with several templates, but select the one labeled 940 x 788 to fit Facebook's dimensions perfectly. Now, one of the great things about Canva is the variety of templates you can choose from. You're not limited to just one style, so feel free to explore different templates that catch your eye. To do this, simply scroll through the options until you find one that appeals to you. Once you've picked a template, we can start customizing it to make it your own. Let's start by adding an image. Click on the Uploads tab where you can import your desired image files. After you've uploaded an image, click on it to place it on your canvas. You'll probably need to resize and reposition the image to fit the design perfectly. Just drag the sides to adjust its size and move it around until you're happy with the positioning. Next, we're going to focus on text. Click on Text on the left panel and then click on Add a heading. You can now type the text you want to appear in your post. Feel free to adjust the size and position of the text box just like you did with the image. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's important to review it. Double check the post to make sure everything looks good and is positioned exactly how you want it. If you're happy with it, the next step is to share your design. Find the Share button, which is typically located in the upper corner, and click on it. From the sharing options that appear, select Facebook Page. This feature allows you to connect your Facebook account and quickly share your post directly from Canva to your chosen Facebook page. And that's it. You've successfully created and posted a Facebook design using Canva and your Google account. I hope these steps were clear and easy to follow, and I look forward to seeing the creative designs you share on your social media. Thank you for joining today, and happy designing.